In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve 20. So first of all, we need to open effects panel. For that, click on effects from here and then it will open this effects panel. Under it, go to effects and then you will find adjustment clip here. If you can't find it here, then search for it and then you will get it. Now we just need to drag and drop this adjustment clip onto our track. So I want to place it here. Now if you want to adjust the duration for it, then for that just drag the corners like this and then you can increase or decrease the duration accordingly. Now I want to change the size of this adjustment clip. So for that I just need to select it, then take your playhead on the adjustment clip to see the preview here. Now I want to zoom on this face cam. So for that I just need to select the adjustment clip here, then open inspector panel, and now I want to zoom in here and change the position like this. Now all the clips which are below this adjustment clip will have all these customizations on them. Like if you see, if I take this playhead at certain point, you can see if the adjustment clip is not here, then the clips will not have all the changes we did on our adjustment clip. And if you want to duplicate your adjustment clip to create a punch-in effect, then for that hold Alt on your keyboard and drag your adjustment clip to whatever position you want. So let's say I want to place it here. And now you can see when the adjustment clips comes on my timeline, the zoom in effects automatically comes with this adjustment clip, and you can do whatever changes you want to do on this adjustment clip. So let's say I want to color grade this footage, then for that select adjustment clip first, then go to the color tab, and now I want to increase the saturation of this clip. So for that I can just drag the saturation handle like this, and let's say I want to increase the highlight as well. So you can do all the basic customizations. You can go through this tracker. If you want to increase the blurriness, then you can do that too. Or let's say I want to increase the sharpness. So for that I'll just make it 0.43. Now if I go back to my edit page here, you can see the below clip has all the effects I added on this adjustment clip. And if I duplicate this adjustment clip on this portion, then if I preview it from here, you can see the below clip has all the things which are added on this adjustment clip. And you can place this adjustment clip on top of your layers, and you can place all the layers which you want to have under this adjustment clip, and all the below layers will have all the features applied which are applied on this adjustment clip. But I don't want to do it. Now let's say you want to save this adjustment clip for future projects. So to do that, we need to firstly go to the media pool and under it click on the three dots and enable power bins from here. And now what we need to do is go to the power bin section and under it go to the master bin, and then we just need to drag and drop this adjustment clip into this power bin, so that whenever we open new project in future, then we can just drag and drop this adjustment clip onto our timeline, and then all the effects will be applied on our future projects, so that we don't need to manually adjust all things in our future projects. If you want to rename your adjustment clip in power bin, then for that double tap on this text and then you can name it whatever you want. So this is a zoom in effect, so I have just added it here and I can access it through this power bin on all future projects. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.